Today I'm going to be singing Senorita by Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes. So this is going to be a little bit embarrassing because I've never seen like a whole video. But okay, let's start. True, la la la, ooh, I should be running. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for you. Land in Miami. The air was hot from summer rain just dripping off me. Before I even knew her name, la la la. It go like ooh la la la, yeah, no. Sapphire moonlight, we danced for hours in the sand, tequila sunrise. Your body fit in my hands, la la la. It felt like ooh la la la, yeah. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you know I love it when you call me señorita. I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you in the hotel. There's just some things that never change. You say we're just friends, but friends don't know the way you taste. La la la. And then let me fall. Ooh, your lips undress me, hooked on your tongue. Ooh, love your kisses that don't stop. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, I know I love it when you call me señorita. I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, you should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. All along I've been coming for you, and I hope it meant something to you. And I name I'll be coming for you. For you. Oh, she loves it when I call for you. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. Sorry guys, I sing bad. Oh my god. I'm sorry for that. Bye.